Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to see some attacks of Town Hall 7. First we can go for air attacks. So for that I've already trained 9 dragons and 3 loons. Along with I have for lightning spell, and in my CC I have 4 max loons. Okay, so we are going for attack. So I'm searching. No, this one is not good, so we can just go for next. Okay, this one also next. So going next. Okay, so we can just attack this. So first I am trying to destroy one air defense. Oh god, we need one more spell to destroy them, so we have to left them that. Yeah, we can go ahead. I am just deploying dragons to destroy builder hut, and I am just deploying all other dragons in one side. Along with that, I am just deploying our CC loons behind the dragon. So they started attacking. I'm not sure whether we'll get 3-star or not, because their defense is still there. So we can just see what will happen. Loons died, so we have only dragons left. So yeah, we got 2-star. Yeah, thank god our dragon destroyed their air defense. So we'll get 3-star because all the defense got destroyed and archer tower is only remaining. We have enough dragons till now, so we'll get 3-star. So we can wait for a while, let them destroy. Almost done. Yeah, 95, 97, 99. Yeah, it's done. We got 3-stars, so going back to our base again. Going ahead, we are going to see one ground attacks next. So for that I've trained 15 wizards, 16 giant, 2 healers, then 4 wall breakers and remaining archers. And as spell I've taken a raid spell, 2 raid spells, and in my CC I'm going to take Valkyr and Wizard. Okay, I'm sending that. Here we are just going to attack. So we can attack this one. So first I am just deploying one giant. As you can see near to that cannon, walls are not there, so there are chances of traps. So I'm just testing that. Yeah, there is one trap. So after that we can deploy all our giant. So you know the peculiarity of the giant, that it will attack defensive buildings first. So that defensive buildings like cannons, archer tower and all. So I'm just deploying all the giants along with healers. Then after that I'm just deploying all my wizards and CC troops as well. They started attacking. So as I said in the earlier videos, you can deploy the spell wherever you want, as you think where it's appropriate. You can deploy the spells as well. So after all these, I'm just deploying archers in one side so that they'll start destroying the buildings from that side. So as you can see, we started from one side and they're coming attacking to center. They destroyed our town hall. Then after that I'm just deploying all my archers in other side so that they can clear the base easily. As you see, this attack is very simple. We are mainly focusing on Jain because we have to destroy the defensive buildings first, and archers to clear the ground, wizards to support Jain and all. I think this attack will help everyone, those who are using TH7, because this is simple, very simple attack. We don't have to think much, or we don't have to do anything else. We have to just deploy our things, deploy our troops wherever it is enough. So as you can see, we got 3 stars simply. It's 100%. That's all. So if you like the video and you think that this will be useful and all our previous videos are useful, then please do subscribe, like and share. And if you have any feedback or suggestions, please mention that in comment. We'll take care of that. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching. Thank you all.